If your transmission is starting to feel like it is slipping, catching in gear, or if your fuel economy has taken a sudden nosedive, you might be dealing with a P0761 code, which means your Shift Solenoid C is either having performance issues or is flat out stuck off. Most automatic transmissions have at least 3 of these solenoids, usually named A, B, and C, and they are the gatekeepers that open and close valves in the valve body to let fluid flow to the right clutches at the right time. When the powertrain control module sees that the C solenoid is not doing its job, it might even put your car into a limp mode to prevent you from burning up the internals. The first thing I always tell people to do is check the transmission fluid level and look at its color and smell. If that fluid is dirty, dark, or smells like burnt toast, it can clog up the tiny passages or the solenoid itself. You should also dig into the technical service bulletins for your specific make and model, because sometimes there is a known software update or a specific wiring quirk that can save you hours of guessing. After the fluid check, you need to do a thorough visual inspection of the wiring harness going to the transmission. Look for any wires that have been rubbing against the frame or have burn marks from the exhaust. For the more technical side, use a digital multimeter to perform a continuity check with the power off. You are looking for 0 ohms of resistance in the wiring. If you find high resistance or no continuity at all, you have found a break in the wire that needs to be repaired. Common fixes usually involve changing the fluid and filter, replacing the faulty solenoid, or in some cases, cleaning out the valve body to get those hydraulic passages flowing freely again, so your engine can stay at the lowest possible revolutions per minute while you drive.